Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... Flash freeze a water bottle. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required.
Put the water bottles into the freezer, lying on their sides and not touching one another. Check the bottles after 90 minutes. If you see small flakes of ice floating in the liquid and some condensation on the outside of the plastic, the bottles are ready for the experiment. If not, leave them in the freezer and check them every 15 minutes until they are ready. Remove the bottle very gently. Careful not to bump the bottle on anything. Gently wipe off the condensation so you can see the liquid better.
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. The entire bottle of super-cooled water should freeze within seconds. This happens because the jarring motion forces a few of the water molecules to line up into a crystal lattice structure that acts as a nucleus for the rest of the crystals to grow off of. Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.